Welcome, I'm Dr. Janine Bowering, and today I'm talking about how to detox your body. So giving you some great detox tips and how often we should be detoxifying. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure that you are subscribed and you click that bell for notifications, and stay tuned right to the end of the video. So today we're talking about detoxification, and this is where people call me the detox expert, and I've always loved detoxification and of course doing it in a natural way using herbal medicines that detoxify your entire body and all of your internal organs. So it should be a liver cleanse with liver cleansing herbs, as well as for the kidneys, for the lungs, for the lymphatic system, for the skin, which is our largest external detox organ. And we don't often think of our skin as such. So getting at all of those organs at the same time is the best way to detoxify, so that you're not pushing toxins from one toxic place in the body to another, which is so common in detoxes. Let's say you're doing a liver cleanse and you're working on getting that liver going and cleansing out those toxins, yet if your colon is and your digestive tract is not ready to deal with that toxic load that's coming its way that you've just dumped out of the liver, then that's when you can often feel sick when you do a detox or cleanse. So my recommendation has always been to do multi-organs at once in terms of the herbal medicines that you're using to get those toxins out of your body. And not only will you get better results with the detox, so maybe you're looking for weight loss, or you're looking just to feel better, have more energy. Maybe you're dealing with a certain toxicity issue. It could be skin rashes or headaches, and you want to clear those toxins out so you'll get better results, but also you won't have the negative side effects which go along with detoxification and other cleanses when you're not doing it the right way. So when is the best time to detox? Well, I love doing detoxes 4 times a year, and that is the best way how to do a detox at the change of each season. This is when our body best supports doing that detoxification protocol. If you think about it, usually in the spring you kind of feel like, maybe I'm going to clean things up a little bit in my diet, do a cleanse, do a detox. Your body is telling you that yes, it is time to get those toxins out. So at the change of each season 4 times a year is the best way to do detoxification. So for more information, if you've got questions and comments, please leave them below. I would love to hear from you, and give me a big thumbs up on this video. I truly appreciate your support, and also be sure that you're subscribed and turn on your notifications by clicking that bell. And remember to always take care of your good health and to do it naturally.